Ben. Yeah, all going, my people. Today I'm gonna show you how to create a hybrid tree. I'm going to use a tempo with 143. Um, let me rename it. Let me name this button is chords. Let me name it chords. Chords then pro. Okay, and um for Dre I like to use 9 bar, and I'm going to use Triton only. So before continue, let me show my Afrobeat drum kit. We have a drum loop, as you there is a mini drum loop, so you can download it. The link is in the description. There are in shaker loop, shaker shots, shaker loop for Afro banger, Afro beats, I'm a piano. Can download it. Link in the description. Have a snare, limb shot is modern is easy, use it for everywhere. I'm going to use the J Cactus drum kit live and raw. So I'm going to use my MIDI. I'm going to choose MIDI for. I'm going to use that's a 40 MIDI 40, F sharp minor. Yeah, it is emotional. Yeah, my beat is hybrid drip. I'm going to use that MIDI. I put Let me put some effect like um, planitic EQ and cut low frequency, and I'm going to use on the very high reverb, the increase mixer and the decay. Okay, and let me put some of here like hyper chorus, and yeah, I'm going to convert it into audio because my computer is running very slowly. I'm going to use audio only. Sorry. So after that, source code is muted. And we have this melody. It's a fire melody. It's emotional melody. Yeah, I'm going to mute effect because my computer, as I told you, is running very slowly. Sorry, I have some engine. Okay, continue. I'm going to choose Triton. So Triton, believe me, Triton is a VS program that have a many instruments. You can download it. Link and in description. Also, I'm going to convert into audio. Okay. Let me add some vocals behind the beat. I'm going to use a Triton. Triton, as I told you, is a plugin that have a many instrument you can't believe. So I'm going to use vocal. Let me choose that it's good. Extract them into audio and add other vocals from Triton, and our melody is this. So now we are going to name it. That is a piano. Let me hear it. It's a piano chords. It's a chords, and next, yeah, I send it in mix channel. Yeah, now we are going to build some drum pattern. Here I'm going to add some kick. I'm going to use, you see that ghost notes, I'm going to use it for building kick. Here, 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 and here. So that's enough. Yeah, it's that my guys. I'm going to arrange everything. Yeah, that is full bit my guys. I put my tags, and please subscribe. Please subscribe to support my YouTube channel.
Ben